Good evening. Thank you for joining me in the studio. My name is Christy Richardson, proud owner of Bloom to Last Events, the place where innovative design create weddings and events of a lifetime. Today, I want to talk to you about a little design detail that often gets overlooked, but it can have a huge impact on your table design. It is the napkin. What you see before me right now are three of my favorite ways to put the napkin on the plate that add a little pizzazz. As always, first thing, whatever you're doing with the napkin, please, I encourage you to look for colored napkins, not just go with the standard white that almost every venue has. That extra pop of color is what makes the magic that happens on the place setting. And of course, you can accent it with florals, ribbons, flatware, chargers, place cards, menu cards, and so on and so forth. So very briefly, I'm going to show you how to do each one of these. And we're going to start with the first one over here, which is the simplest to do. And it's basically a standard trifold. Take a napkin, if you will. If there is an upside and a downside, place it so that the reverse side is down. We're just going to take and we're going to fold the napkin into the center to make a nice little neat tri-fold. And just how I've shown here, you're going to pick up your plate and you're going to put it underneath. And many of the times it will drape over the side of the table. Or you could put it in between the plate and a charger, for example. Or if you have a place setting that does not have a plate, it works great if you just put your flatware right here, draped over the side. Makes more of a casual kind of a look. Will keep the napkin from blowing away if you have an outside reception or a tent with open sides. The next fold I'm going to go to is called a standard pocket fold. What I love about this fold is that it allows us to have this little pocket that we can dress up by putting our menu card or flatware in. So we're going to start with our napkin again. In the reverse, as I started before, and we're going to fold it almost in half. I've left approximately a thumb length from the back. Now you can turn it over and we're going to make a small pocket, again about the size of a thumb length, and then reverse so that the pocket lip is facing down, and then we simply fold the corners into the middle, and voila, we have our simple pocket. This is nice to dress up a space. Again, you do not have to have a plate for it. It will work great if your plates are at the buffet. Perfect for a little accent and a little bit more of a formal occasion. The last design I'm going to show you is the bow tie. This one is really fun. I've used this one many times before to add a level of formality. It's a little bit more complicated to do, but simply fold the napkin like we started our tri-fold, half into the middle. Then, now we take the outside edges and we fold into the middle, and we fold into the middle. So you kind of have a little square almost. Now, you should have a piece of ribbon ready. So I have shown you here, I've just got it pinned into place for this demonstration. But then what you would do is you simply, fold. I make a little fan fold back and forth. And then right in the center, and I actually like the reverse side best, you would place your ribbon and then you fan and set onto your plate. So there you have it, 3 super easy, super inexpensive ways to dress up a place setting, get some pizzazz just by adding that design detail. Now, if you'd like more design ideas, head over to the website, www.bloomtolast.com, and check out the blog. It's loaded full of good details. If you like this video, please put a comment below and share it with your friends. Until next time, I'm Christy Richardson. Happy design.